G'day guys, I'm the one and only Strom, and I'd like to welcome you to vlog number 25. So, it's been quite a while since I've made a vlog, so I thought today I would share with you guys a rather funny story that happened just a few days ago. Last Monday to be precise. You see, ever since I've moved into my new apartment, I have had a roommate, so to speak. That roommate has been my cat. Come here. Come here. Yeah, I'm trying to get him to come over in now. I'm gonna have to go get him. That new roommate has been my putty tat, Saundre II. Can't get that in your face. Yes. He has a very unique personality, to say the least. And, well, he definitely has his stranger qualities and bad habits. Like, one of the things he'll sometimes do is just randomly chase things in the house that, you know, aren't moving. I know, it's weird. And then, one of his other bad habits involves, to a limited extent, me. Because sometimes I can't afford to buy enough cat litter, and so sometimes when his cat litter is like over a week old, and I just have not been able to change it because I just don't have any or don't have enough to like last a fortnight, he has on a few occasions gone and relieved himself in my apartment, much to my displeasure. There has only been one instance where he has had fresh cat litter and he has just not used it, but he's usually a well-behaved cat in that respect, so it doesn't happen often. Yeah. The third bad habit of his, shredding. Yes. When I got my cat, he was a bundle of black and white fur and claws. He tries to bloody shred my lounge to no success. Although it does drive me a bit batty. He once destroyed a sponge that I used in the kitchen for doing the dishes. And perhaps the worst thing he's ever shredded, and he does sometimes do when he gets the opportunity, is shred toilet paper. Yes. As for the story of Monday, it went a little something like this. The night before, I had left my toilet paper sitting on the windowsill, and for Saundre, that's an easily accessible place, so I don't know when he got to it, but I'm assuming it was when I was asleep. But he's gone and bloody shredded it on me. I've woken up the next morning, walked into the bathroom, the last of my toilet paper was gone. I know. I was so sad and mad. I couldn't take a shit. Oh, well, I could, but, you know, I'd have nothing to wipe me ass with. So, after giving Saundre a good punishment for that, I then decided that I needed toilet paper, so I scrounged up what little change I have, in the way of coins. Just had enough to buy one roll of toilet paper. And from now on, I keep my toilet paper in my bathroom cabinet, where you can't get to it, usually. I mean, there was this one time where I seen him trying to open the bathroom cabinet, because it has like a little groove on the side, like on each. It's like a two-piece mirror, right? And there's like a groove on each side. He was trying to get his claw in the mirror, like he was trying to get his claws stuck in the like little groove to slide it open. I swear. Saundre, stop that. Yeah. He was trying. He managed to get it open a little bit, so, yeah. Houdini fucking cat. And yeah, that's my excuse for going down the road. No one, just like a Monday. Cat shredded toilet paper, so I had to go out to buy toilet paper. And not surprisingly, that's all I've really done. I'm a bit sad and depressing in a way. And that's what my social life is. But oh well. My social life is changeable, so yeah. Anyway, I think I will go ahead and wrap up this vlog now. So until next time, see you later. Bye.